Now we look at example 3. Solve for log 2x plus 1 base 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 log x minus 3 base 3. So first what I do is I try to arrange the log together. So it means that I move this log to the left hand side. So first step, what should I have here is log base 3 for 2x plus 1 minus 2 log base 3 x minus 3 is equals to positive 2. So I move log to the left hand side and I move negative 2 to the right hand side to become positive 2. So next, for this value, I can move. So based on the law of logarithm, this is base 3 minus this one will become log base 3 x minus 3 power of 2 is equals to 2. So from here, I can move this one to become index. So under law of logarithms, from minus, I can change to log base 3 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 squared. So from minus, I can change to division. So it's equals to 2. Next, I will eliminate the log. So how? By moving, let's say I change to this color. By moving base 3 to the right hand side. So next we have 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 power of 2 is equals to 3 power of 2. So next 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 squared is equals to 9. Next, I multiply the numerator to the right hand side. So I will have, let's say, so I will have 2x plus 1 is equals to 9x minus 3 squared. Next, we need to expand. So this is how we expand. So you have to remember. So we put 2 bracket x minus 3, x minus 3. So this is how we expand. So let's say 9. So now I start to expand. X times x, x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. So this is 2x plus 1 is equals to 9. This one I try to simplify, negative 6x plus 9. Then I need to expand. So I will have 9x squared minus 54x plus 81. So since this is a quadratic equation, so one either side must be 0. So I move. So next, I move 1 and 2x to the right hand side. So here I will have 0 is equals to 9x squared minus 54x plus 81 minus 2x minus 1. So I try to simplify 9x squared, negative 54 minus 2x, negative 56x. 81 minus 1, so it's plus 80 is equals to 0. So next, I will try to factorize. So you can use your calculator. Let's say we try to factorize. So you can use your calculator. For example, let's say A is 9, our B is negative 56, our C is 80. Sorry, so we try to factorize again. You can use your calculator. Then A is 9, B is negative 56, C is 80. So here we have x minus 4. So another value is 9x minus 20. So 9x times x, 9x squared. So this is 80. 36 minus 20, 56. Oh, x is equals to 4 or x is equals to 20 over 9. So you can try to replace here. So this is the answer. We accept both of the answer. So because when I substitute 4 into x, I get the positive log. So here is also I get a positive log. If I try to substitute 20 over 9, so 20 over 9 is 2.22. So sorry. So for log, you need to be careful, because after we get the value, we need to try to substitute into x, because log must be positive. Let's say I substitute 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Log 9 is okay. So here is 4 minus 3 log 1, so okay. But if 20 over 9, if I try to substitute into x, this one is not a problem. But when I try to substitute here, 20 over 9 minus 3. So if 20 over 9 minus 3 is equal to negative 7 over 9, is a negative value. So if I substitute 20 over 9 into this log, I will get a negative value. So therefore, we only have one answer. X is equals to 4. Again, if I substitute 20 over 9 into this log, 20 over 9 into this x, 20 over 9 minus 3 is a negative value. Log negative is undefined. So we only accept x is equals to 4.